Hey, Stuff Smith here, and I'm gonna show you how to open a Hot Wheel. See this Hot Wheel like, but you ain't gonna damage the card itself, the blister. What you'll need is a Q-tip and 100% acetone nail polish remover. I think nail polish remover works itself. It's just gotta have acetone. Mostly anything with acetone should work. Nail polish remover, pure acetone is recommended. Whoop. And this is new Q case card, blah blah blah. So what it does is it weakens the chemical bond between the glue and the card. This makes it like unstick. Let's pour some in here. Don't smell that stuff. Make sure to be in a pure, good ventilated area, even though I just smelt it. See where the plastic is at? Right through there. Oh, it's dark out here, but you know. Put some acetone through it, like down through there. Make sure and get it good and soaked. Like down to the sides. It's cold out here. Just going to show you like through here and down here. Make sure and get it really good and wet with acetone. And maybe just like let it sit there for a minute or two. Just keep applying acetone. About right there. That should be good right there. Now I'm gonna just let it set for a minute. I may have to have some more acetone, ain't no telling. But yeah, after you let it sit, just gently pull. And if some spots resist, put some more acetone. Like, yeah. Put some more acetone. Take out that bottom part. Oh, I didn't cleanly do it, but you gotta be really gentle. I'm just gonna set this down right here. For them inside spots, you could just do this through there. I'm gonna just get the car out itself. Ah, nice looking car. And nice blister pack too. Or you could just leave it like that if you want the blister itself. Or do what I do. Or not do what I do. But what I'll think about doing is like, well, not what I'm going to do. I just like playing with them. And then I'll probably just put them back. But other people, like, take the wheels off. Say that they're errors. Then that worked out pretty good. I forgot that it was off. Like, then put it back on. I don't know if he heat it back up or what. I don't know how to put it on. Hey there, kitty, kitty, kitty. It's my kitty Tom. No homo. And then I think they put like super glue on it or something. But, put like a packaging error and everything. He's got the acetone. Don't do that, kitty. Put a packaging error. Like, put some super glue on it and you got yourself a packaging error, yeah, I don't need no more acetone. This stuff should be safe to touch since it's nail polish remover. I heard it I think it erodes, something like that. I don't know how to speak anymore. Erodes metal and stuff, like aluminum. And then they just rip the wheels off, put it back in, and then just, like, put it back in there, put some super glue, and take them back to Walmart. Alright. Or sell them online. And scalpers. Hold on, let me get another car right quick. Okay, I got Too Tough. Say, you could, like, slide this car in here, it feels a scalper. I wanted that car. I wanted that car. Slide that in there. Whoop, that's upside down. Slide that car into the package. Like, may have to get a smaller car for, like, the Mercury. I'm just teaching y'all how to scalp. This ain't right. And then put some super glue and you got yourself another packaging error. Pretty cool. And just like that, you got yourself good card. Just let that'll dry up. Since it's acetone, it'll evaporate. That's pretty cool. I might do another one tomorrow or something. I might do it tonight. I don't know. But remember, pure acetone or something, or nail polish that does have acetone. Recommended 100% acetone. Bought that at Dollar General. Well, you know how it goes. Well, I don't know what I'm saying. But it just... Don't smell acetone. Do not smell acetone. I don't know. You see the reaction from my cat? Yeah. Huh. Okay. There. Yeah, you could just, like, slip a car in there. Here's a better example. It's Matchbox Way. There we go. I'm gonna try to get some super glue right quick. Okay, after you let the car dry. Yeah, because acetone removes glue and you're about to put glue on it, so that makes no dang sense. Ooh. Should be good enough. But put this up top, the car right there, get some super glue. Make sure that's in right, yeah. I got me some super glue. Some smells. A drop right there. Drop, whoa, a little bit too much. Drop. 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 Maybe a small line down through there. I'm just putting it on. I squeeze the car. And awesome. Okay, I got that in there. Hopefully I didn't get none on my fingers. But if I did, acetone removes super glue. So let that sit for a little while and you got yourself an error. Or call error. You just scalped something. But this is probably worth more than this one. But this one was a chase. I don't know. But look what I got now. A packaging error. Nice. Didn't think I'd ever get this far. and Hot Wheels. Now, you know how to scalp, which is probably bad of me to do, but you know me, just want to give y'all some information. And, oh shoot, my hair's messed up. That's how you remove a car out of the package. Easy, and like scalp and stuff. I don't scalp though. That's the only problem. Now, there's probably going to be a scalp rate going up. Don't blame me, blame somebody else, I don't know. Blame that Nissan Sentra or something, I don't know. Comment, like, and subscribe. And just like, if you watch this, just don't hate, appreciate. Bye from Stuff Smith. Bye from Stuff Smith. I just said that twice and I do not like bye from Stuff Smith. That's the third time bye from Stuff Smith. That's 4.